Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can use Nivea cream to lighten and whiten your skin complexion and to make it more fairer, glowing, radiant and spotless. This home remedy is made up of natural ingredients and is 100% effective in lightening and whitening your skin complexion easily at home in just 3 to 5 days. So to prepare this home remedy, you firstly have to take this Nivea cream and take out approx half a teaspoon Nivea cream in a clean bowl. And after taking this cream in a clean bowl, now you have to add vitamin E oil in it, and you just have to add approx 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil in it, and you can also use 4 to 5 vitamin E capsules instead of the vitamin E oil. And after adding vitamin E oil, now you have to just mix both these ingredients so that they combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth paste. And once both the ingredients are nicely mixed, now it's the time to add the next ingredient, which is the rice flour. And you just have to add approx 1 teaspoon rice flour in it. And after adding the rice flour, just slightly mix it up so that it combines with the other ingredients. And once it's nicely mixed, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the raw milk. And here I'm just adding 2 teaspoons raw milk in it, and again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a lump-free paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade skin lightening and whitening mask is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this paste should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be smooth and lump free like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to use this paste to get effective results. And you just have to firstly apply this paste all over your face and neck, and then gently massage it in circular motions for about 30 to 45 seconds. And after gently massaging it for 30 to 45 seconds, apply a thick layer of this paste as a mask all over your skin. And after applying a thick layer of this paste as a mask on your skin, just leave it to dry completely for about 15 to 20 minutes. And once it dried completely, just wash it off with normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin really well. And you can use this paste all over your face and neck as well as on your full body. And for the best results, you have to use this home remedy twice or thrice in a week. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.